Hello guys, I'm standing at my back door looking in my backyard, and from what I know the storm is still going on because I think it should continue throughout later into the morning. And while looking out there, I'm noticing that the birds are out there looking for food, and all the bird feeders are covered with snow looking like little fairy houses. So I'm going to venture out in my backyard. Okay, and this is the step with all the snow on it. And this is snow everywhere. Okay, this is my foot. This is like maybe about 6 inches deep here. And look at this. This is just like a little fairy house. And this is the same thing here, looking like a little fairy house. Now this is a bird house. They won't be going in there, so I don't have to clear that. But this is one of the feeders here, so I need to clear this one. And this one is containing finch food. Now this is my bird bath. I can't do nothing much to this because the water is all frozen, so I'll just leave it there looking like a big mushroom. This is supposed to be my flower plant. And this windmill here is a bit heavy, so I could go ahead and clear this so it could get spinning there. On the ground here you can see some food where it's actually dropping from this feeder here, because this is the only one that they have access to. But this one here, get this snow off this one. And there is the food. Okay, so I guess the birds should be able to get the food from there. I don't want to be scratching out too much of the food. I have sunflower seeds and other seeds in here. And this one here, it's partially empty, but there's still some food in there. I'll fill it up in a little bit. This one here is a hummingbird feeder. There are no hummingbirds around right now, so it can stay there for now. And this is my arborvitae tree. Shake off some of that, you know. It's all spread open, looking as if, you know, struck by disaster, but it will close up back once the weight is off. This is a hiding place for the birds. They hide here from the cats and the elements, of course. Right now I think the tree would want something or some place to hide from the elements, so the birds don't really have a hiding place right now. And as you can see, it's still snowing. I'm not sure how much longer it will be snowing, but it is snowing every now and then. The wind picks up a bit. And this is what is happening here in Queens, New York. Wherever you are in the tri-state area and other parts, go ahead and keep yourself warm. And if you don't have to go outside, you stay inside, don't get frostbite. And as always, I'll see you soon.